we discuss about networking. What is a networking? Each one computer are connected to each other is called a networking. For example, three systems are there. Three systems are not connected to each other. When we connected to each other is called a network. Now it's called a networking. Networking are performed by two ways: direct networking and indirect networking. Now we will discuss about types of network. Network are divided into four types: PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. Now we will discuss about PAN. PAN is stand for Personal Area Network. The range of PAN is 10 meter. The use of PAN in home. Now we will discuss through example. This is a system. This is a personal system and we share the data. We share the data through laptop, through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, pen drive. So these are called a network. So these are called a personal area network. Now we will discuss about LAN. LAN is called a local area network. Both computers are connected to each other and share the resources is called a local area network. For example, this is a main server and main server are share the resources to all is called a LAN. LAN are mostly used in schools, labs, schools, office, building, etc. The range of LAN is 150 meter. Got it? So these are called a local area network. Now we will discuss about MAN. MAN is stand for Metropolitan Area Network. The range of MAN is 50 kilometer and the use of MAN is within city. For example, the main server are attached. The collections of LAN is called a MAN. For example, school LAN, hospital LAN and college LAN and home college LAN is connected to main server. Main server is a MAN. So these are called Metropolitan Area Network. Now we will discuss about WAN. WAN is stand for Wide Area Network. The range of WAN is not fixed because the use of WAN is all around world. For example, the one adapter is attached. The main server is called a WAN. WAN are connected to more LAN and more MAN. The collections of LAN and collections of MAN is called a WAN. Got it? So these are the types of networking. First is a personal area network. Second is a local area network. Third is a metropolitan area network. And fourth is a WAN. The range of personal area network is 10 meter. The use of personal area network is in home. The LAN local area network is used in office and building. The range of local area network is 150 meter. The MAN is stand for Metropolitan Area Network. The range of MAN is 50 kilometer and use of MAN in within city. WAN is stand for Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network range is not fixed and use of wide area network is all around world. I hope you understand the topic types of network. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.